Gwagodi me mad why mad yeju Elucha hospital, a full-blown hospital, nurses, theater, everything, labor room, they in a hospital. Still, onya ekwechiri no scam ko ya name. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel 1 Plus. I'm your girl Bella. On this episode of Palava, this lady, MC Mbakara wife, say Eldona Hospital is now exchanging babies. M11 hospital, they now give you dead baby and not take your baby and not pay the person 3 million. No, what we had that fun at this country. Anyway, use your ear, listen to what this woman they talk, and we'll talk about it.
If you have gone to deliver in this Eldona hospital, or you know anybody that has had to do anything with this Eldona hospital when it has to do with childbearing, come outside though. Come outside, because the evil and atrocity that is happening in this world is becoming too much. We know that people have been this wicked, but all these people have taken it a step further. Do you know that this hospital, what they do, what they do is that they have a baby, a dead baby in their hospital that they embalmed and kept. What do they do with this child? When you come to give birth and nobody is with you inside of the delivery room, when they deliver your baby, they will pass the baby through the window. You know, when you're just giving birth, especially when it's your first time, you are in a state of delirium. You don't even know what's happening with you, especially if you did a CS. CS can make you just feel like, oh, you're incapacitated. They would now exchange your baby through the window. Somebody is waiting by the window to collect the live child and pass over that embalmed child. And then they will carry that child and show to you that this is the baby. You will cry, you will go home. They will sell your baby for 3 million. 3 nonsense million naira. Your precious, precious child. Precious child. And then they've also been exchanging. Of course, they will exchange. Somebody will want male, you give birth to female. Or you give birth to your precious male, they will swap it for you. You see, that's why I have a big issue with men that feel like getting involved with their wife's pregnancy journey and delivery journey is not for him. He's too manly for that. Is she a baby? Now she firstborn. May she go. They don't know say world don't change from how it be when a mama and grandmama be born. If you're watching this and you're a man, you have to step up responsibly when it has to do with your wife and your children. You have to protect them. Never you allow that woman go to give birth alone. Antenatal, they say they pray on women that are always alone. Yes. Antenatal, follow. Know where your wife they go to antenatal. See, at least in the whole of some of you, in the whole of 9 months or 10 months of your woman's pregnancy, you don't go close to even see the hospital where she goes to. How the antenatal, I'm not saying you should go every day, but go. And the day of delivery, it is very important that you are there. Especially when she's going through a cesarean section. Be there. Look at what is being done. When your child comes out, watch as they are cleaning your child up. Collect your child. These people have been in practice for the longest time. You see these 3 women here? They are the ones. The madam of gray hair, that is their madam. That is their chief medical director. In her 60s. How wicked can you be? Every day we'll come out and say, my mother is the best. My mother is... So who is this winch? Which person mama be this? Will be winch like this?
You see the reason why most of the DNA in Nigeria, apart from the ones that are cheating on their partners, you see the reason why most of the DNA no be guy. I don't know who see you see what in bad government they do, But tell me why, as a man, if you are as a man, if you are not ready to follow your wife to the labor room, to theater, please. I beg, don't even impregnate somebody. So you can imagine, having a full-blown pregnancy, 9 months, they now carry a dead baby and now give to the person and now pay the person. First of all, if your baby dies and they start paying you, you know something is wrong. Oh. Number 2, if you know that you don't have anybody that will follow you to the labor room, madam, biko chobandoka. Go to the nearest Catholic hospital, because as it stands in Nigeria now, everything is scam. Even Even the you can imagine a full-blown hospital now. Person go give birth, you now carry another baby, dead baby, and then give to the person. Who do we blame for all this kind of atrocity? When we reach to this level, they don't say hunger, bandits, insecurity. Where do we start now? They not people, they do process, they not bundle some people inside DSS. Who did we offend in this country? See, Nigerians are not angry enough. Talking on social media, talking on social media is not enough awareness. People need to start acting. You know, if people were idle, because upon that boy Ejide and Tiena Akubu, no, upon that guy feel okay, no, Obasaram, that boy gone. Do you know that some Nigerians on a comment section now see no cloud chasing? Already, they've arrested those people. But you need to be careful. Obo name as somebody jego na hospital and one biko no biocha obonya na phone na nwa abokwa nwa faje magodi ke baby good invest ebe ka ga ebido.
I work there as an auxiliary nurse that I've not yet gone for professional exam yet.
How long have you been practicing?
I'm practicing for about 21 years.
Which of the nursing? At least you went to one of
in the private clinic.
Okay, let me understand it. You were never trained. You never went to a nursing school.
Yes, but we trained under a hospital. She trained us.
You know, it's my boss. I don't know. When he come back with paper like this, I will believe that maybe what she said is true. I did not know apart from something like this that happened.
I would have known that, okay, I don't have license in the first place to do what I do. At the same time, when a woman has been married for 10, 15 years and does not have any child, sometimes they have gone through IVF many times and it doesn't work and they decide to adopt. If peradventure they are able to get one, the family will be very happy and settled. And I will be happy too and settled that at least one family has been settled. But the way it is now, it is illegal.
So how do you feel?
I'm really feeling bad.
Why are you feeling bad?
Feeling bad in the sense that, number one, I should have followed up that lady when she told me that she's from a social welfare organization. I should have followed up to know whether that social welfare is properly registered with the government instead of just dealing with a particular person. So that makes me feel very, very bad.
Okay, what if this hospital is like maybe the hospital like maybe 2010? You can imagine the damage. You can imagine the damage, the effect of not knowing that na exchange just people go about their day as if nothing is happening. How many people now graduated from the university? No job, nothing. All the young people in Nigeria, the boys, you know what they do? Fraud. People are resorting to fraud. People feel that see, we are here. There is no crime in this world, not in Nigeria, as of 2020. When we do crime, discover be. But people are looking for jobs, so this kind of thing now. And when they did willing, undercover jobs. And when they did willing, but to get the job is hard. Somebody, a service no don't service 35 years. Bulu ngongo jeme Thanksgiving no. But on date like real people they willing, when passion for the job. Just an oboda naga. See, video. However, you know that you're a young person and you want to get married and you know that you are not capable enough to follow your wife to the hospital because you're somebody because the kind of things news we hear in this country is like, oh my God, do you know the kind of damage this thing must have caused to plenty families? Because however you feel about this video, leave your comments on the comment section, because ntị nke ikpeazụ ntị mmadụ ejugo from beating pandemic from ụmụnwaanya ndị na-akụgbu nwa ya na ha bi. Amụrụ m wickedness ka a na-aya, ka ego ka a na-aya, ka oke ọchịchọ ka a na-aya, ka akpịli ogologo, ka anya ụfụ a na-aya in this country. Anyway, however you feel about this video, leave your comments on the comment section. I'm your girl Bella. Palava oda akwụkwọ agwụ. Peace out.